A dramatic Titanic ship crashing through the ocean, a stunning cake transformed in seconds, and a table filled with first-class inspired food. In this video, I will show you how to recreate this entire DIY Titanic party setup at home in just under 30 minutes. Now let's start with our biggest transformation, your party wall. The easiest way to create a show-stopping Titanic backdrop, printable wall cutouts. Start with large blue paper and cut edges into waves to create your ocean. Then print out the Titanic shape on A3 cardstock. Cut and stick it above the waves. Finish it off with a personalized birthday banner that only takes minutes to put together. Print and cut out each banner, punch holes at the top corner, and thread a ribbon through the holes to connect the pieces together. And just like that, your feature wall instantly feels personalized, polished, and photo ready. Instant dramatic scene. Part 2. Let's transform your table into a Titanic first-class dining experience. Start by placing your themed menu on the table, just like what you would see on board the Titanic. You can even add small thoughtful details, like dating the menu back on 14th April 1912, the fateful day when the ship sank. Part 3. Starting with your centerpiece, the Titanic birthday cake. Even a basic store-bought cake can look incredible with a stunning Titanic cake topper. And it takes only 3 quick steps. Cut, attach sticks, insert. That's it! Your birthday cake instantly transformed into a themed centerpiece that anchors your entire Titanic party table. Part 4. Now let's build out your menu with fun simple items that are quick to prepare. Number 1. Ship-made fruit cups. Chop strawberries, grapes, melon, and blueberries, serve them in individual cups. Number 2. Captain's apple cheese crackers. Arrange cheese and apple slices and crackers on a tray. Add grapes for a first-class touch. Number 3. Sailor veggie sticks with dips. Slice carrots, cucumber, and celery. Serve with ranch or hummus. Number 4. Golden lifeboat fries. Bake fries and portion into small paper boat trays. Number 5. Titanic popcorn boxes. Fill Titanic popcorn box with popcorn and add caramel drizzle for extra sweetness. Number 6. Smokestack cupcakes. Use store-bought cupcakes and insert chocolate waffle sticks to mimic the Titanic's iconic smokestack funnels. Number 7. Sailor's mini cheeseburger. Grill mini beef patties and melt cheese on top. Serve in small buns with simple toppings. Number 8. Ocean blue punch. Mix blue sports drinks or soda with lemon slices. Number 9. Shipyard macaroni and cheese. Cook macaroni until soft, mix with creamy cheese sauce and bake until bubbly. Number 10. Hit the iceberg cake pops. Dip cake pops in white chocolate sauce and drizzle blue icing. Number 11. Buttered ocean corn. Boil or steam corn cobs and toss with butter with a pinch of salt. Number 12. Coal candy packs. Use black candies or chocolate pieces labeled as ship coal. Now that your Titanic menu is ready, this is where you take everything up a notch using cupcake toppers. Add them onto your smokestack cupcakes or place them into ship-made fruit cups. You can even pop into sandwiches to complete the look. Cupcake toppers are an incredibly versatile decor that can easily create height variation across your party table. Next, bring in the bottle wrappers. Wrap them around juice bottles or soda cans, and they instantly transform plain drinks into Titanic-themed beverages. Once your food is laid out, don't forget to place a label in front of each item. These small steps makes a huge difference because each dish becomes part of your Titanic story. And to complete the look, place a personalized party welcome sign and menu right at the start of the table, acting as a visual anchor, clearly marking the area and tying all your elements together. With your birthday cake as the centerpiece, cupcake toppers adding height and detail, and food labels bring everything into one cohesive Titanic story. Your table now feels like a true Titanic first-class dining experience. If you want to recreate this entire setup without figuring everything out from scratch, using our Titanic printable party kit makes everything faster, more organized, and completely stress-free. Everything is designed to match, and you can personalize the printables in just minutes. I've linked everything down below in the description. All printables are editable, instant download, and designed to help you throw a stunning Titanic party confidently and stress-free. You've got this!